Hi everyone, so in this video we will be talking about TCS NQT Free Hiring 2025. Okay, so many things we will be covering in this video very quickly and in very short. Okay, so second thing, the eligibility criteria. Third thing, the exam pattern. Fourth thing, how TCS NQT is different than other exam. Okay, so first of all, starting with the video, I want to tell you guys the TCS NQT online assessment is a in-center exam. Okay, so some students are getting confused in this. That is TCS NQT hiring a offline hiring or a online hiring. It is not a virtual exam. You need to attempt the exam through the centers. So it is a in-center hiring. You actually need to visit to the TCS center and you will give your exam there. Okay. So first is this thing. Second thing, the eligibility criteria. So actually, when they will release the registrations, the actual eligibility criteria we will be getting there. Mostly the 2025 batch will be eligible in this particular hiring because for 2024 batch already they have conducted the hiring last year. Okay, so mostly the 2025 batch will be eligible for this particular hiring. Okay, now going forward with it, first of all I want to discuss the exact exam pattern with you guys, also the differentiate factor of TCS. Okay, so first if we talk about the exam, there are total two parts. First is the fundamental section, second is the advanced section. What is the difference between this? To understand this, actually you need to understand the job roles. So the first job role is TCS Ninja, the second is TCS Digital, and the third role is TCS Prime. So actually the packages are different in these roles. Okay, for TCS Ninja you will be getting around 4 LPA, around 3.5 to 4 LPA. For Digital you will be getting around 6 to 7 LPA, and for TCS Prime you will be getting around 9 to 11 LPA. Okay, so the pay package is different. That's why depending upon your performance of the test, you will be getting the interview calls for these roles. Now the whole test is divided into two parts. First one is the fundamental section, second one is the advanced section. So suppose if you are doing very good in the fundamental section, then you can say that you are eligible to give the interview for TCS Ninja. So they will call you for TCS Ninja interview. Suppose if you are doing very good in fundamental section plus an advanced section, then you will be getting the call for TCS Prime. And suppose if you are doing good in your fundamental section, also in the advanced section, you will be getting the call for TCS Digital. Now, suppose if you are not doing very good in the fundamental section, then you will be not getting any call. That's why the most important part of these sections is the fundamental section. To get at least one profile, actually you need to perform good in fundamental section. So now in the fundamental section, there are total 3 sections. Okay, the first section is your maths, second section is your reasoning, and the third section is verbal. Now talking about these 3 sections, there is a differentiating factor in TCS NQT which you actually need to understand. So when we talk about TCS NQT maths or reasoning, actually the questions are lengthy. So in other exams, you will observe that there will be questions, they are totally based on the formulas or some tips on tricks, and you are getting the direct answer. But in TCS NQT particularly, if we talk about aptitude section, if you talk about particularly maths and reasoning, then this part is very difficult. Because in this part, if we talk about the whole section, you will be getting 25 minutes for each section for maths, reasoning and English. But talking about maths and reasoning, actually the 25 minutes is quite less if you talk about the section difficulty, because the questions are lengthy and the questions are calculative. So actually you need to do many calculations to solve the questions if we talk about either maths or reasoning. So actually you need to actually prepare some hard level questions for TCS NQT, particularly in quant and reasoning. The reason is the questions are lengthy. Okay, but the benefit factor is this: the exam is in the centers. Already many students are actually rely on the cheatings for other companies, but in TCS you are going to attempt the exam in the centers, so the cutoff is less. Actually, if we talk about the cutoff, so suppose if you are doing 10 questions out of 20, it is a okay score to get actually the Ninja profile. If you are suppose scoring 12 plus or 13 plus questions, definitely you will be getting digital or other role. And suppose if you have scored more than 13, 14 or 15, then definitely your chances are very high to get the prime. Because actually when we talk about these sections, the cutoff is not much higher. Okay, the cutoff is not much higher, at least for Ninja. For Ninja, even if you are solving between 8 to 10 questions, the chances are high to getting a call. But I would suggest to target at least 10 to 11 questions to be in the secure spot or secure position. So in these three sections, actually you will be getting a 25 minutes of time, and in reasoning and maths, you will be getting total 20 questions. In English, in 25 minutes, you will be getting 25 questions. That's why the section is not much difficult. Now, you guys must be thinking, suppose, okay, if I want to prepare, I actually need to practice the test as well. So suppose if you want to practice the test for TCS NQT, according to the exact syllabus, according to the exact questions, you can purchase the mock test. The links will be in the description. Also, you will be getting the cheat sheet, which you can use for your preparation. So these cheat sheet will be helping you to actually get the small concepts. And when you want a quick revision or you want to start a topic, you will be getting the whole formulas, whole tips, whole tricks in one particular PDF. So these cheat sheets are also very important. So you can check the link in the description for the whole course, TCS NQT MCQ mock series. Okay, the link will be in the description. You can definitely purchase that, and the course will be worth for you. Okay, because already we are providing you 5 mock tests, and these 5 mock tests will contain more than 200 questions. So more than 200 questions with solutions will actually give you a better idea that how actually TCS works, how will be the online assessment and everything. Okay, so you can purchase that. Link will be in the description. Now, when we talk about verbal, the verbal part is little bit easier than quant and reasoning, because as I said, 25 questions, 25 minutes. So actually it will be little bit easier than quant and reasoning. Okay. Now, this is the whole fundamental section, and at least you need to perform good in this section to get the call of TCS Ninja. Now, talking about the advanced section, what is the use of advanced section? So basically, advanced section will help you out to get the call for TCS Digital, TCS Prime. In this section, you will be getting first section as advanced reasoning and quant. You will be getting around 15 questions in 25 minutes. It will be for advanced level, and also you will be getting 90 minutes separate for the coding questions. So you will be getting around 2 coding questions. Okay. So actually in the coding questions, the level of the coding question is not much hard. You will be getting 1 easy question, 1 medium level question. The questions will be not much hard. Suppose if you have done around 100 to 150 questions, that would be enough for you, because as I saw for last year, the level of the coding questions were easy, not hard. Okay, even the second question was not much hard, so it was easy kind of question. Okay, so you will be not getting any high level of difficulty in the coding part if you have done some practice before. Okay, now talking about the advanced quant and reasoning part, actually you need to prepare a little bit higher if you want to get for digital and prime, because the score matters actually from the advanced section. Also, if suppose if you are doing the coding questions, so there are total 2 coding questions. Suppose if you have done around 1 coding question, okay, you can expect the call for digital. Suppose if you have done 2 coding questions, you can expect the call of TCS Prime. Also, the thing is, actually the college also matters. Okay, so suppose you are from a low level tier 3 college. Okay, then the chances of getting the call for digital and prime will be little bit lesser than the other candidates who are pursuing their graduation from a higher college. Actually, in the shortlisting part, last year I have seen this, that they shortlist the candidate basis on the score as well as from the colleges. Okay, so the college name, the college tier is also matters when we talk about the shortlisting part for the interviews. Okay, so actually your college also matters. Okay, so depending upon how you are performing in the advanced section, also your college level, your fundamental section, you will be getting the call for TCS Ninja, Digital and Prime. So this is the full thing for TCS NQT. I hope you guys understood the whole assignment, how the test will work, the foundation section, the advanced section, what part is difficult, what part is simple. I hope this video will give you a idea about TCS NQT hiring and the important things. Also, you will be getting the links of the mock test series in the description, which you can check out. We will be updating the more content in that. Okay, thank you so much for watching.